In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up fingerprint on Poco C75. Go in settings, simply scroll down, go in fingerprint and face data, tap on fingerprint lock. Now select the screen lock. For example, I am selecting pin, tap on got it. I will simply enter my pin. Now it is saying to place my finger on the power button. So I will simply place my finger on the power button like this. Move around your finger on the power button. My fingerprint is set up. Now simply tap on done. Now let's check it out. I will simply close my phone and place my this finger on the power button. As you can see, phone is unlocked. So this is how you can set up fingerprint on Poco C75. If this video helps you, like this video and subscribe the channel.